All right, welcome. Sorry for the late video. It is February 5th. What day is today? Wednesday, February 5th. This is the trade review. I want to show my first losing day. I'm not real proud of it, but it happens, and this is a good example of kind of how losing days can happen. So let's move the video. We'll kind of do this in real time. This is about I didn't get the audio recorded today as I was trading, but I got all the video, all the trades in. This one, just a quick explanation of what was going on. This one, we came up, we hit a little bit of resistance up here, came down, hit the medium EMA here, didn't quite hit our control. But felt like the reversal was going to happen. Had enough room to go before we got to the EMA or to the resistance level, and we got it. And then this one was a loss almost right off the bat. As you can see here, I thought we were going to play off of this resistance again and come down, but it didn't. It continued to move up. This all happens very fast. I'm going to pause this video because it's moving too fast for me to explain. This one, again, I thought we got to push up through this. It broke through all this resistance, came back down, did touch our medium EMA again. This proved not to be real reliable today. I thought we'd move up in this direction. Again, off the EMA, moving with the trend. It's always, trades with the trend are always more reliable. They're always higher percentage. Again, kaboom, it doesn't. It just shoots right through the stop loss. So we have loss number 2. And as I set the next trade, this one looked to bounce right off of the control EMA. It looked to be a classic EMA bounce. Back in the direction of the trend. Everything looks solid. Had no reason to believe this one wasn't going to win. The reason I waited to trade so much, you can see we're down here at 11:21. There was just crazy market movement. There was a lot of news coming out today. I think I show that a little bit here in just a second. Trump spoke last night with his State of the Union, caused a lot of movement in the market today. There was a lot of news, a lot of speakers just in the first hour of the market open. A lot of them happened at 10:30. The market was going just crazy. It did look to settle down a little bit. Even in hindsight, I can see there's a lot of bars in just a couple of minutes in here. Probably should have waited to slow down. But as you can see here, this one just shot right through that again. Didn't work. Nothing was working today. None of the stuff that normally just works just didn't. And you get days like that, but I think a lot of it today had a lot to do with State of the Union last night, a lot of the news that was coming out, and the different speakers that were happening today. I got my net 2 loss trades. So the first one was a winner. Second one canceled out that winner. And then we got 2 more losers for net 2 losers. So down $145 for today. I think I put in the economic calendar. I did. So you can kind of see in here as I scroll down, a lot of news at 8:30, a little bit 10:30. Look at all this at 10:30. Just craziness. Again, at 12:30. This was more Canadian stuff. There was pretty much stopped after 10:30. But full disclosure, I did go back and take 3 more trades in simulation. I didn't do it in the live account. I did it in simulation, and I lost all 3. So if you want, I don't count those as part of the thing going on today. But I was just trying to do it to see if it was just going to be one of those days, and it was just nothing was working today. You get one of those days, which is exactly why you stop trading when you do. You get the net 2 losses, or you get your net 2 losses in here, and just quit. I mean, down $145, that's never fun, but I mean, what is that, about a day and a half of actual wins? So today's Wednesday. I should still be in profit. Yeah, probably about break even, because yesterday I had a loss that I netted only about $68 or something like that, but I had a full winning day on Monday, so I'm probably right about break even right now if I had to go back and do the math for the week, which, in hindsight shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully tomorrow and Friday will be better days, and we can get back into a little bit of profit. I won't have the normal If you're talking one contract, it won't have the normal $500-600, but we'll see if it's going to be a negative week or a green week. Could go either way. We got 2 days. Fridays can be kind of tricky, but I've had some success the last few weeks, so hopefully that'll work as well. So just wanted to show you what a losing day looks like. Definitely one of those days where you want to check the news. I mean, looking at all of these, I mean, from the moment the market opened until even well beyond this, I started the other trades that I lost somewhere after 1 o'clock. It had slowed down considerably, but it just still wasn't honoring. It just wasn't cooperating today. And I've had days like that in the past. You just got to know when to stop. You got to know when to just, net 2 wins or losses, call it, be done. If you can get your 2 wins and be done, walk away. If you, in a situation like this where I won 1, lost 1, and then lost 2 more, I had net 2 lost trades, just walk away. Which is what I did in the live account. I did play with it a little bit more in Sim just to see what would have happened, and I'm glad I didn't go back into live trading with that, because it would have been an even bigger loss. But and that's what you can do in Sim. So let me know if you have any questions. This was definitely an educational day, and knew it was going to happen eventually. It was on too big of a streak. Red days don't happen every minute. Sometimes you can have them back to back. Sometimes you have a bad week. The ultimate goal is to have an upward trajectory of green days, and that's what I've been doing so far. But a red day every now and then, or a red week even over the course of the year, here and there, is not going to break or be a big problem. You just have to mentally accept that is going to happen. Mentally accept that it's okay. Don't dwell on it. Just take your losses, walk away, go on with your day, and try again tomorrow, which is what I'll do. So just want to let you know, hopefully, that you can kind of see my thought process as all this was happening. My thought process even now, after the fact, it's just, losses happen. There are going to be red days. They're going to be red weeks. I still have the possibility of a red week. Right now I'm break even with 2 days to go. We'll see if I can turn it around to at least have somewhat of a profitable week, and we'll see what happens in the next 2 days. So that's it for today.